In the name of God, Mustafa Yasser with you. In this video, we will learn together how we can make a celebration like this. First, we will create a new page and name it planner. We will add icons, we will add a cover, we will expand the page a bit, we might change the font, we will create a database in a grid format, we will name it call task. Put in it 1, put in it task 2. We will adjust the view so that we don't want a board preview and the size is small. We will create another database. It will be a calendar. We'll name it My Way. We'll drag it to the right. And we start expanding it like this. We can add other tasks. We need to adjust the fields. We don't need this one and we don't need this one either. We just want the names. We want to change the calendar view to weekly, not monthly. Let's go to the calendar. We will choose show calendar as week. So now we have the week like this and we don't need this column. Now we can distribute our tasks over the week with just drag and drop. Like this, we'll add a simple touch by adding a status field, and we'll create a filter to show me the tasks that haven't started or to show me only the tasks that haven't finished. We will say status is not done. So as soon as I mark this task as done, it disappears from here because it's completed and we don't need it to show. We can change the status to match this format and we can display it according to your needs. For it not to appear, just click on it from here and specify that I am working on it or that. As you are used to. The template we made today will be available in the description below. You can download it easily and use it. And with that, we have finished today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos about Notion. And if you have ideas for templates or questions, you can write to me in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.